Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Today we're talking about how to remove a criminal record from a background check. Having a record can be a major barrier to getting a job, finding housing, or even getting a loan, but in many cases, you can take legal steps to clear it. First, a very important disclaimer: I am not an attorney and this is not legal advice. The laws for this vary dramatically from state to state, so you should always consult with a qualified lawyer in your area. The two main ways to clear a record are through expungement and sealing. Expungement is the process of having your record legally destroyed or erased. Once a record is expunged, for most purposes, it's like the arrest or conviction never happened. You can legally say you were not convicted of that crime. Sealing a record is a bit different. Instead of being destroyed, the record is locked away from public view. This means most employers, landlords, and the general public won't see it on a standard background check. However, law enforcement and certain government agencies can still access sealed records. So, how do you know if you're eligible? Eligibility depends entirely on your state's laws and the specifics of your case. Generally, expungement or sealing is available for non-violent offenses, misdemeanors, and sometimes lower-level felonies, especially if a significant amount of time has passed since you completed your sentence. Factors that matter include the type of crime, whether you were convicted or just arrested, how much time has passed, and if you have any other offenses on your record. The first step is to figure out exactly what's on your record and if you qualify under your state's laws. You can usually get a copy of your criminal record from the court clerk or the state police. Then, you'll need to research your state's specific process for expungement or sealing. This typically involves filing a petition or motion with the court where your case was handled. You'll have to fill out paperwork, pay a filing fee, and in some cases, attend a court hearing. It's highly recommended to hire an attorney for this process because the paperwork can be complicated, and a small mistake can get your petition denied. One final, crucial point to understand is the difference between official court records and private background check companies. Even after a court expunges or seals your record, the old information might still exist in the databases of private companies. Under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, these companies are required to maintain accurate information. If your record is legally cleared and an old charge still shows up on a background check, you have the right to dispute that information with the company and demand they remove it. This can sometimes require sending them a copy of your court order. It's a complex process, but clearing your record can be a life-changing step toward a fresh start. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a like and hit that subscribe button for more content that can help you move forward.